Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I wanted to know how much it is to rent a photo booth, a 360.
A 360 photo booth. Our 1 hour is $3.99 and our 2 hour is $6.99.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
And that is exactly what you do if you want to go broke and have zero bookings. Now, let me go ahead and jump into scenario number 2. Please pay attention to the details. Let's go. All right, make sure you wear a smile, because people can hear the smile on the other side of the line. So let's go ahead and do this. Thank you for calling Canary Capital Rentals. This is David speaking. How can I assist you?
Hi, I wanted to know your prices on the 360 photo booth.
Of course. Is this your first time looking into renting a 360 photo booth?
Yes.
Okay, great. Well, let me walk you through a couple of things that would be good for you to ask as you're calling around getting quotes, right? So one of the things is you want to ask the provider what size is their 360 photo booth, because they range in sizes. The size that we have holds 3 to 4 people at one time, which means you can get a lot more attendees on that 360 photo booth throughout your event. Do you know how many people you are expecting at your event?
100.
100 people. Okay. So for 100 people, I would recommend the 2 hour. The 2 hour booking in comparison to the 1 hour, because say for example you have 100 people at your location, right? You want to make sure that everyone gets to experience the 360 photo booth and are not rushed. So because this 360 photo booth holds up to 4 people at one time, you can easily get those 100 people on the 360 photo booth multiple times. Our 2 hour rate is $6.99. Right now we have a discount, so you'd only be paying $5.99. And we include RGB lights, an iPad sharing station, an external screen where your clients will be able to see what's going on from afar, so that it's more captivating and they'll want to participate. Now, do you know if it's going to be like a birthday or an anniversary?
Wedding.
Oh, it's going to be a wedding. Congratulations. Super cool. Yeah, so as far as weddings go, that's perfect. It's going to be indoors?
Yes, indoors.
Okay, great. And is there going to be like an outlet within 50 feet of where you plan on putting the 360 photo booth?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay, that's perfect. That's great. So those are our rates, and I'm sure you're going to have questions. Have you visited our website?
No, I haven't.
No? Okay, I can send you the link to our website, and I'm sure you're going to come up with new questions, which I'll be more than happy to answer. I'll send you the link, and if you have any more questions, please reach out. My name is David. What's your name?
Diana.
Diana. Okay, my name... I already told you my name, right? Well, it was a pleasure talking to you, Diana. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us back. And if you want to book, I can walk you through the steps as well, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye, Diana.
Bye.
All right, guys, so scenario 1. You picked up the phone, didn't introduce yourself or your business. They don't even know if they're calling a business. You just gave them prices and bye. That was it. That was terrible. You never want to do that. They're going to call somewhere else and they're going to pick up the phone like we did on the second scenario, and they're going to get the business. So what I did on the second scenario is, 1, I introduced my business, I introduced myself, I talked a little bit about my services, and also I asked the questions like, what kind of event, how many people are you expecting? When you start asking these questions, it's making them think about the process, because remember, most of these people that are renting from you, this is the very first time they're renting out a 360 photo booth. So you are the specialist, you are the professional. So get those questions going for them so that they can think about the scenario and say, you know what? I'm going to book for 1 hour. I'm going to book for 2 hours. They don't need to book for 2 hours if it's only going to be 40 people attending their event, because your booth or my booth, whatever size you have, is going to hold anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5 people, which means those people are going to be on the booth at the same time. And if it's only 40 people, they're going to get lots of videos with those people on the 360 photo booth. So they don't really need to spend money in booking 2 hours. And if you save them money that way, they're going to book with you, because now they know that you are there to help them. They're going to like you, they're going to trust you, and they're going to book with you. And as they call around other places, they might not get the same customer service. So guys, customer service is key here today, and this is why I made this video on phone etiquette. If you guys have any questions, please hit me down in the comment box below, and let's go ahead and continue.